Curing has never been very easier than prevention. That's why we always emphasize and say prevention is better than cure in animal husbandry. Yes, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome each and everyone. Please, if you're new on this wonderful channel, mind to tap the subscribe button and the notification bell, so that every time when we upload such videos, educative videos, you are the first person to watch and comment. Today, I have decided to, many people have been asking questions that why do we spray, that some farms don't spray, why are we making it a point to spray, why are we emphasizing it, and why are we also buying expensive equipment for spraying. The truth is, some farms don't spray their animals and others do, and at our farm we do spray our animals, and here are some of the reasons why we do spray our animals. As I have told you that prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. That's why at Kimdi Farms we emphasize prevention than cure, because for us our routine is like this. We spray our farm, especially where these animals sleep, and the kids and other animals, the mothers, because of many challenges that we had got previously. That's why we always emphasize it. Many people have heard of diseases that are caused of these external parasites, the ticks and the other diseases that come up because of these external parasites, such as heart water and other diseases that may kill your animals so easily, that depend on your animals. When you see your animals are not looking good, your animals just die abruptly like that because of heart water. You see, such diseases that come to our farms really are so deadly that you may reach into your heart seeing your animals when they are not really looking good. So for us, we do spray our structure, we do spray the kids, we do spray where these animals sleep, such that we don't face such diseases, because many farms around us are facing many challenges. That's why for us, we don't want to face such diseases at our farm. That's why we emphasize spraying once a week. We usually use different acaricides, that's the Norotras, the Alpha-Po, Diodip, such that these external parasites don't get used to only one acaricide for spraying. And it is a very good thing to always do that, to always change, such that you can kill some of them that get used to one drug. You see, that's why we are always emphasizing that we spray our goats in bunches, the pregnant ones. Now here they were spraying these pregnant nannies and other things, and this is very, very good. It is a good practice that I encourage everyone that is having or is planning a farm to do such. We always spray on Saturday, and we make our animals. We ensure that we do the general checkup and spraying and other things, such that our animals feel okay throughout the week that they will be entering. So if you need such exercise, if you need trainings, if you have workers who you want to train, please you come to our YouTube, or you call us. We shall help all your workers to learn. Thank you very much.